know, us deer hunters, we always wish we had more free time to be in the woods chasing deer. But be careful what you wish for. You could be like me and get laid off right here before Christmas. And right at the end of the rut, the rut's winding down here in western Kentucky. But I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm going deer hunting. Hunting's still good. Funny thing about being laid off right before Christmas, the day after I got laid off, the company sent me an email inviting me to the company Christmas party coming up this coming weekend. Man, no thank you. Don't care about the Christmas party now. I'm going deer hunting. I'll be in the woods chasing deer.
Cause the blood still speaks when the path ain't slick. Didn't hear no choir, just crickets and breeze. But I dropped to my knees under them pines and trees. The sky opened up like the good book's page, and the weight I carried just slipped away. Yeah, heaven's got a back road winding and